world, welcome to the Yordas group at McMaster Innovation Park. Today we're going to talk about how we here at Yordas innovate and how we help other companies innovate as well. Yordas Group is a global environmental consultancy firm. We help companies manage their chemicals management and risk assessment and ensure that all the products they want to get placed on the market are done so in a compliant manner. So all the products that we use around us, for example, shampoo, to the paint on your walls, are all regulated by various government regulations. And here at Yordas Group, we help companies maintain compliance as they get their products placed on the market. Today we're going to talk about a very relevant example with the use of hand sanitizers. Our expert, Dr. Mike Wolf, is going to take you through the process of being compliant with the regulations and getting your product placed on the market.
My name is Dr. Mike Wolf. I am a regulatory scientist here with the Yordas Group. Due to the recent COVID-19 pandemic, a lot of manufacturers and suppliers shifted their focus to hand sanitizers due to the recent demands. With that came a lot of new regulations and territories that they weren't really familiar with. To keep up with the demand of these hand sanitizer products, many companies fell short of the various regulatory hurdles that they had to overcome to place these products on the market. And that's where the Yordas Group comes in, as we specialize in chemical regulations and helping walk these companies through the various check marks that they need to have to put these products on the market. So when the pandemic started, the government loosened a lot of the regulations around these hand sanitizer products, ranging from composition of these products, so you were allowed to use lower purity products to help ensure the supply of ethanol, for example, was sufficient to meet the market demand. But fast forward 18 months, a lot of these loosened restrictions are coming out of force, meaning companies need to go back to the more traditional standard regulations that every other company pre-pandemic had to comply with, which is where Yordas Group comes into play as we help walk these companies through the various submissions and notifications they need to do to keep these products on the market. So where the Yordas Group can really show our strengths and flex our muscle in this field is helping you with the various components that you need to comply with as part of these product registrations. First off, it could include a scoping assessment to help you identify what regulations your product is even subject to. From there, we can help with a product review and classification, so whether your product is a natural health product or an antiseptic drug, for example. We can help you with the product licensing application process, including dossier preparation to help walk you through the safety, efficacy, and quality of products required, especially if your product doesn't comply with monograph conditions. We can help you with the various licensing applications, including site licenses and product licenses. We can help coordinate testing strategies and risk assessments, especially for products that may not meet typical monograph conditions. In addition, we can help you with product lifecycle assessments and product stewardship to help make sure your product not only complies today, but down the road as well. As a specific example, when you have a product that could be used on both hands as well as surfaces to clean and disinfect it, you have to be careful because this product can actually fall under two very different regulatory regimes. So if it's being used on hands to sanitize, it falls under the Natural and Non-Prescription Health Product Directorate, or NNHPD, overseen by Health Canada. If the exact same product is used as a sanitizer on a surface, it then actually falls under the oversight of the PMRA, or the Pest Management Regulatory Agency, which is a bit of a shocker for a lot of clients because they might sell a single product with a single formulation and they're completely unaware that this product faces two very separate registrations. So we feel this work is really quite important because without companies like us helping manufacturers and suppliers getting these products into market, we would have faced an even greater shortfall of hand sanitizers. I'm sure everybody remembers at the start of the pandemic when people were buying up and jacking up prices on hand sanitizers. Part of that issue was due to a lack of supply. So companies like the Yordas Group come in and help manufacturers shift from maybe producing alcohol used for food and beverage purposes and enter into that hand sanitizer market with as few barriers as possible. Yordas Group is also helping companies innovate not just locally, but globally, because we help these companies navigate the various local regulations that are in place in addition to the various global regulations. So let's say you're a manufacturer here in Hamilton and you're producing hand sanitizer products. The Yordas Group can help you get that product on the Canadian market and deal with the various licensing requirements. But as your demand for your product increases and you start to think globally, we can also help you look at the US regimen, so how you get through the FDA approval process, as well as let's say you want to sell that product in Europe. Well, we have experience with that in the European BPR to help you get that product into the European market as well and really help expand your business much larger than just the local market. And it really highlights why a company like the Yordas Group is important, because we come in and we help walk you through those various notification and registration processes to get your products onto the market and stay on the market.
Not meeting the requirements set out by the regulations can be quite dangerous, as you could run the risk of damaging your company's reputation. Here at MIP, we're lucky to be surrounded by companies that care about the well-being of the environment and the humans that are using their products. Thank you so much for coming by. You can check out our website at theyordasgroup.com and see how we can help you innovate.